Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the layer you want to blend. This immediately defines what will be affected. Once selected, open the Blending Mode menu and hover different modes to preview changes. This gives instant visual feedback. Make sure opacity and layer bit depth match your output needs so colors behave predictably. If working with masks, disable them temporarily to isolate the blend. Once done, lock the layer to prevent accidental edits and proceed to test a few modes with different opacities. Now you methodically test modes. Try multiply for darkening or screen for brightening, then overlay for contrast boost. Each behaves differently because of math applied to pixels. As you test, change opacity and fill independently. Fill can reduce blending intensity without affecting layer effects. Group the blended layer with adjustment layers so you can fine-tune color or levels non-destructively. Make iterative small adjustments and toggle visibility to compare before and after. This helps you find the balanced look quickly. To finish, convert your blended composition into a smart object or selectively flatten layers to lock the result while preserving editability where needed. Export a test render to verify final appearance. If you see banding or posterization, increase color depth to 16-bit or enable dithering. That will smooth gradients. If colors shift unexpectedly, confirm your document's color profile and that blending operations run in the intended space. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the layer's blending mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.